So we've done the stretching, we've held our wrist, and then if we can, either hold your wrist or your forearm and take the arms in line with the ears and come forward. In line with the ears, open your chest and come forward. Oh, can you feel that? Can you feel the release across the chest and the upper back? And wherever you can go, wherever this takes you. So some of us might be a little tight and not be able to go all the way, and that's fine. We're just working to loosen up the joints. Across the chest and across the upper back. Tip and get into your waist. Lift and the other side. If this move is too much, bring your hands across your chest so it looks like this. Okay, if it's finding this a little too tight, then bring your hands across your chest, because we're going to make it deeper. And to do that, we're going to lengthen the arms one way, bend the knees and drop to the floor. Climb up, lengthen the other way and drop to the floor. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, drop. Inhale, lengthen. You can just lose yourself in the flow of this movement. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. I'm going to do one more. It feels so nice. It's fluid and it's an active stretch in the waist and the side of the hip. So climb up, press the hands together and bring them to your chest, elbows nice and wide. And then lift the hands above you, squeeze your bum and open up the front of your body. Hands to chest, upright. And then squeeze your bum, lengthen your arms, hips forward and centre. Again, so lose yourself in this movement and how this feels for you. Inhale, stretch and open, squeezing your glutes to help. Move the arms over to the side, centre. Settle and centre. Up and over, centre and breathe in, up and over and settle. So there's a lot of work, a lot of breath in that move, in that stretch, and then we settle with the breath in. Add on a little bit more, slide your foot to the side and then lift the leg when you're ready. Come into the middle and settle. And over to the other side, take the foot out. And when you're ready, lift and start to explore. Good, fantastic, lovely Judith. Hands to heart. Over, lift and start to explore. Good, good, good. Hands to heart. And over to the other side. Go on, go. Yeah, well done. Brilliant, Annette. We're going to do one more on each side and we're going to go further than we have before. Tip. Go on. Yes. 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 Love it. And the other side. Good, 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 good. Fantastic. Stay with it, stay with it, stay with it. And release. Roll the shoulders. Release your neck. And pick up your hand weights. We're going to work with our hand weights today. We'll finish the term with power. So start with a little shoulder roll. That little shoulder roll that we're going to bring into our lives every day. Up, back, down and drop. And this small little behaviour change, this small little habit will make such a difference to your body. It will help to open your chest, take the pressure off your heart, help your digestive system, help to activate those shoulder blades and your musculature. So when are we going to add it in? Every time we make a cup of tea? Every time you see me on YouTube, roll your shoulder. Now turn your head side to side and just check in with yourself with your posture. Your feet on the floor, your knees bent, soft, I should say. And your abdomen switched on, your deep abdominal switched on. And to begin with, I just want to start with a simple move that is incredibly powerful. Leaning side to side with a hand weight and with your feet on the floor. It's incredibly effective. It really does tone that waist muscle all the way around. Good. So arm climbs up, arm presses away. Let your body breathe. Let it open up. Oh, waist toning. Inhale, exhale. One more each side of the singles. And now add in little pulses. 5 little tiny pulses. Climb up. Other side. 5 little tiny but so effective pulses. 4 more of those. Pulse. 5. A long breath out, or 1 or 5 little short breath out. What suits you? Inhale, pulse. Little deeper. Good. Look down at your arm. Climb up. Look down at your arm. Good. Let the breath go. Inhale. 2 more. Look down at the arm. Inhale. Look down at the arm. Inhale. So beautifully aligned. Hand runs down the leg and across the floor. They're not in front and not behind. Perfect. Now bring the hands to your heart space. Palms pressed towards you. Lift the arms and just test the water and bring the hands down towards your chest. Do it again. Lift and bring your hands to your chest. Connect with the floor, connect with your breath. Make sure everything is okay. Check in with yourself. Add in a parallel squat. So bend the knees, climb up, squeeze the bum. Deep knee bend this time, yes. And the chest stays high as you do this. Deep knee bend. Fabulous. And squeeze your bum. Keep your chest high and squeeze your bum. Good, so that's really making the ankles, knees and hip warm and getting those glutes working as well. So add in that side to side move. Add in more waist work. Feel it? Hands to heart. Waist on the other side. Hands to heart. Other side. Good. Other side. Yes. 2 more of those. So I might be going too fast or I might be going too slow. And that's okay. You do your breath. That's what I want. I want you to find your comfortable flow, your energy flow, your breathing flow. Add in the foot slide. So the foot slides and then the leg lifts. And you take your time, perfect. Well held. Squat, foot slide and lift. Yes, good, well held. 4 more. Parallel squat, foot slide. Have you noticed that you can go from holding the foot to going straight into the slide? Because you've pre-warned, preempted the move. Your leg, your body, it's stabilising. I love that. Keep going, keep going. Yes, stronger, longer arms. 2 more. Stronger, longer arms. This is the bit that makes the difference. Hands to heart. Long, long in the body, long in the leg. Fabulous. 1 more. Both sides. Stay with me. Yes, thank you. And the other side. Oh, that's good. Oh, hands to heart, hands to your thighs, and roll your shoulders. Bring your hands to your hips and just slide your knee up, and then slide that leg back and squeeze your bum. Land the foot the other side, knee lifts, and slide the foot back and squeeze your bum. Foot lands. What we're aiming to do is keep our eye gaze forward. So find a lovely spot, hopefully a tree in the background, and keep your body still whilst your leg works. So what we're using is core muscles, abdominal and back and glutes. That's what's helping to stabilize us and keep us upright. So we have this inclination to tip forward, but we're not going to. Give me one more, just to be safe, just to be sure. This is your level 1. This is your breath and mindful movement work. I'm going to add in arms. So my arms come forward, palms down, good. And then I'm going to go wide with my arms and step your foot behind or step into a lunge. And then step in. I'm going to give myself a bit more room. Other knee, palms down. Arms open, either step or lunge. What works for you? And step in. We've got 4 more together. Knee lift. Arms open, step, or take your time to find the lunge. Step in. Knee lift. Step back, heel up, bend the back knee. Same thing as we did with the leg slide. Your body knows what it's doing if you give it the prep work. So if we take our time, find our footfall, and then take it into the work, our body's comfortable. Needs a little bit of practice, a little bit of warming up. Well done. Wobbling is good. Knee lift, leg back, heel up if we're doing the lunge. I'm going to do one more because you look so strong. Knee lift, yes. Leg back, heel up. Brilliant, love it. You look very confident. Knee lift, heel up, and step in. Great, roll the shoulders, kick out the legs, that becomes a habit. Hands towards the front of your thighs. Forward fold, and that means tuck in as tight as you can and leave the hand weights on the floor. Let go of the arms and take your time to bend and stretch your knees. Bend and lengthen your legs. Bend and straighten the knees so that you can work into the hamstrings. Great. Come into the floor. Stretch your body, let your body breathe. Fingers forward, bum back.